how to reset password on the Indeed job search app. If you'd like to reset your password on the Indeed job search app, what you have to do is first of all launch the Indeed app, and on the login screen, if you had normally remembered your email address and password, you would be able to enter them and log in without any issues. But if you want to go ahead and then reset it, first type in your email address, then tap the continue button over here. It will ask you to go ahead and then continue as your Google account if that's the case, or you can also sign in with the code. So basically, if you also forgot your password, it will ask you to send a code, and once it's done sending the codes to your email, you simply have to go ahead and then check if you've received any sort of code from Indeed over here. Then once you've done that, it will take you to the new page where you can go ahead and then choose a new password without having to remember your old password. And that way you can actually reset your password, and you can also go ahead and then log in. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.